In this video, I'll show you how to filter contacts by tags in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Now, once you are on the Audience section, head over to the top bar. And here you will find four filters. You want to choose the third filter, which is tags. Now, if you click on the drop down for the tags, in here you will see the list of all of your tags. Let's say you want to find a tag. So at the top on the search bar, we will search for a tag. And once we click on enter, you will automatically find that tag based on your search. So in here, let's say we want to choose the 2026 tag. So on the left-hand side of that tag, click on the checkbox. And once it is selected, it will automatically load or refresh the table. And as you can see, it will show you all of the contacts within this tag. You can also add multiple tags, let's say customer. It will also refresh the table. And once it's done, it will also show you the list of all of the contacts that are on that tag. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.